Corona pandemic has compelled the global business industry to focus on healthcare and nutraceuticals. Healthcare industry is aiming at providing miracle drugs. The food industry, which has been providing food to the world, now is focusing on nutritive foods or nutraceuticals, which are very important to build the immunity to fight against corona like situations that may come up in the future. This has resulted in the lot of importance given to life sciences globally. Hence, thousands and thousands of new biology related companies are cropping up all over the world, especially in India and China, because the world is looking towards these two superpowers of the future. China and India will be the centers of global business development in the future. The things related to the job opportunities in life sciences have changed. The desirable factors of careers in life sciences include attractive salaries, exciting locations, and work satisfaction. The globalization of healthcare and the varying regulatory environments are also determining where jobs are being created, with many companies shifting away from the building out internal enterprises. They are becoming more external facing and virtual. Across the world, the life sciences industry has evolved into new and exciting areas with bioengineering and healthcare technologies growing at increasing rate. The role of life scientists is becoming more and more prominent, and they are working hard to bring forth the miracles of tomorrow. There are big attractions for versatile employees who have integrated skills such as digital health and bioinformatics. Besides biology, the need for integrated skill sets such as IT, biology, chemistry, and business education are particularly desirable. Let us now look into the top jobs and high salaries in life sciences. These jobs are suitable for anyone with basic degree in biological sciences and additional certification related to paramedical or any other related subjects of biological sciences. The candidate should also have the required skills to suit the job. According to me, the number 10 job in biological sciences or life sciences is epidemiologist, and the median scale for an epidemiologist is about $70,000 per year, and the job requirements for an epidemiologist is to investigate the disease and patterns of disease, causes of disease, and they also seek to reduce the occurrence of negative health outcomes of this disease. According to my survey, the number ninth position goes to biomedical engineers. The median salary for this job is about $88,000 per year. The position of biomedical engineers requires the engineers to combine engineering principles with medical sciences to design and create equipment, devices, computer systems and softwares used in healthcare industry. Number 8 according to me is medical scientists, and there are a number of jobs which you can see it on screen. The median scale for a medical scientist is about $84,000 per year. The top 7th position according to me is a botanist and a wildlife biologist. The median scale for this job is about $63,000 per year. And about the position, botanists and wildlife biologists study plants and animals and their behavior and their interaction with the environment. Coming to the number 6 top job in life sciences, that is microbiologist. and the median scale for a microbiologist is about 71,000 US dollars per year. And about the position, a microbiologist will study the microorganisms and they understand how these organisms live, grow, and interact with the environment, and also how they cause diseases in humans. Coming to the number 5 position, it is the job related to biologists and biophysicists. And the salary for this category is around 93,000 US dollars per year. And coming to the position, and biologists and biophysicists study the chemical and physical principles of living things and biological processes such as cell development, growth, hereditary, and diseases. Coming to the number 4 position, it is biological technicians, and the median scale is about $44,000 per year. Coming to the position, biological technicians help biological and medical scientists to conduct laboratory tests and experiments. Coming to the number 3 position, we have biologists. The pay scale for a biologist is around 1,08,000, and the job requirements are biologists employ principles of biotechnology with medical sciences to design and create novel drugs, diagnostic methods, and softwares that are used in the healthcare industry. The second position goes to an academician. It includes the instructors, lecturers, professors who are employed in different universities and institutions. And the pay scale is about $1,51,000 per year. And the job requirements are the academicians are required to teach and do research in universities and institutions and also research organizations. The number 1 position goes to medical and clinical laboratory technologists. Even though the pay scale is less, it is about $52,000 per year, but the number of job opportunities are very, very high. And coming to the position, medical laboratory technologists, also called medical laboratory scientists, and medical laboratory technicians collect samples and perform tests to analyze body fluids, blood, tissue, and other substances to investigate the diseases. There are a lot of other jobs also, especially related to gardening, especially related to horticulture, especially related to growing flowering plants, floriculture. There are so many other jobs, and the jobs of these categories are coming up in the future. Thank God the corona pandemic is slowly receding. It is on the decline. But don't rejoice this situation and consider this as a warning for human race, because you never know when a new kind of a virus may crop up and a new kind of virus may hit the world. Because of that, the world may suffer once again. We have to be ready for any kind of situation that may come up. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. All the best to you.